Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and we're on the Diamond Princess Deck 5. And we're gonna just take a quick stroll through here. Good spirits at sea right over here. There's a dining room there. This ship actually has 5 dining rooms. Good spirits is where you can get your specialty coffees too. No international cafe. Shore excursions. Art, and forward is the theater. This is your Princess and Captain Circle. I'm going to walk in the library real quick because I actually have a library. And an internet cafe. Look at that. Computers and everything. Future cruise consultant. And another dining room. Now we need to walk around here and go upstairs to deck 6. Deck 6, we're going to find some shops at Princess. Grand Casino. Another dining room. Of course, this is the midship stairs and elevators. More shops at Princess. Another dining room in there. Let's take a quick whirl through the casino. If you went straight ahead, you'd be at the theater. So, I don't want to walk. Well, let's do it. Two roulette wheels and the craps table down at the end. I did not see poker, electronic or otherwise. Service desk again, very helpful. More shops. Let's go up to deck 7. That's like the main activity deck, right? Other than where the pools are, way up. So, more shops. Let's walk through the Wheelhouse Bar. Of course, they're playing music, so I'm going to try to talk over it so that I don't pick too much of it up. Weird thing on this ship is there's stairs leading into the theater on both levels. There is a ramp right there on both levels in the middle of the stairs that comes up here. So, Princess Theater. Great theater, great viewing. These are the only pillars and they're in the back. Let's take the ramp. That was the ramp. Now let's walk forward. I'm sorry, aft. The theater is all the way forward. Wheelhouse Bar. We just walked through that. More shops at Princess. This is Calypso Cove. They have some of the things you might have forgot to bring over there. You know, toothpaste, toothbrushes, underwear and socks. Ship's officers. This is Crooners. There is no Vines. There's no international cafe, like I said. There is no food downstairs in the mornings. Now we're coming to Explorers Cafe. Explorers Cafe, lounge. Whoop. This is where they usually play trivia. Whirlwind, huh? Explorers. Just see, it just says Explorers. So what is it? Photo department. These are the panels with your photos on them. They don't do the computer thing yet. This is Kai Sushi. A la carte. So it's a sushi bar. A la carte. Like a two-piece thing is $5. I'm not a sushi expert. 2 pieces per serving. Nigiri sushi, $5.50. Stepped in something. This is Sabatini's Italian Trattoria. But in the morning they have breakfast for the people in the suites. See? Suites breakfast. So we're not going to bother them. And this is the ocean front. Remember the wave? Of course it wasn't on this ship, but anyway, this is where you get stuff for your medallion.
Hello sir, how are you?
And these are officers.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, say hi to the viewers. And this is Club Fusion. And we had the captain's cocktail party in here last night, but other than, I think they do Zumba in here, they just do not use this at all. Well, I shouldn't say that. Every time I come in here, it's empty. Anyway, we have time to take a little stroll outside, so let's just do that.
There's only 2. There's 6.
Remember, on these ships, you can only go forward and aft on deck 7 on the starboard side, right? You can't get anywhere out there. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Now we're outside. Whoa. And they have these padded teak lounge chairs, and of course, lifeboats, tinder boats, water shuttles, whatever you want to call them. Hopefully that's all they use them for, is water shuttles, right? So we're walking forward, and we're not going to get there in the time I have left. So let me just say goodbye from the Diamond Princess, somewhere off the coast of Baja, California, on the last day of my cruise. This is Garrett saying, I'll see you in the next port. Bye.